Towing a heavy trailer and watching your Tundra squat in the rear, headlights pointing at the sky, and handling going sketchy. That's what happens without proper load support. Airbag suspension fixes the squat, levels the ride, and makes towing actually feel safe. 5 options right here. All links are down in the description. Kicking things off at number 5, the Retrue airbag kit supports up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capacity with adjustable pressure from 5 to 100 pounds per square inch for fine-tuning front to rear and side-to-side balance. Pre-drilled holes make for a no-drill bolt-on install with labeled parts and comprehensive instructions included. Direct replacement for the Firestone kit, backed by dedicated customer support that actually shows up when you need them. Number 4. The maXpeedingrods kit covers the widest year range on this list and brings multi-ply rubber construction with 4 to 4.5 millimeter wall thickness for serious leak resistance and long-term durability. Up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling, adjustable from 5 to 100 psi, and a built-in internal jounce bumper that prevents damage when running with an empty air spring. Not compatible with fifth-wheel hitches or factory air suspension setups. At number 3, the Torque Air Helper Spring Kit. 2 load leveling options available. 7,500 and 5,000 pounds, depend on your needs. Bolt-on installation with zero frame drilling, all brackets, bolts, nuts, inflation valves, elbow fittings, and tubing included in the box. Reduces inner leaf friction, improves steering control and braking effectiveness, and softens frame axle contact to prevent bottoming out under load. Solid budget pick with everything you need right in the package. Number 2. The Firestone Ride-Rite is the original and the standard everyone else gets compared to. Convoluted air springs that can be individually adjusted to handle off-center loads, something most competitors can't match. Commercial-grade steel plates with rolled crimp design, precision engineered from a brand that invented pneumatic suspension back in the 1930s. 1 to 2 hour install, everything included. When the load matters, this is the name you trust. Taking the top spot, the Airlift Load Lifter Ultimate is in a different league entirely. Up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capacity with a 3-stage internal jounce bumper that provides ride comfort and 0 psi safety protection. Meaning even if you forget to air it up, you're not riding on metal. Maintenance-free air springs built to perform season after season with no degradation. Improves handling, braking, and steering response under load. No drilling required. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and a 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. That last part says everything. 5 airbag kits, 1 Tundra, and the difference between a truck that squats under load and one that handles it like it was built for it. Whether you want the budget bolt-on or the lifetime warranted ultimate kit, this list covers every level. All links are in the description. Go level the Tundra out. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More Tundra content is on the way.